Ladies and gentlemen, get ready because we are on the second to the last week of the second round of eliminations. This Saturday morning, we have here the Mpcf Blue Dolphins taking on the Genesis Roaring Lions in the Juniors Division. Good day, Bicolandia. We are once again live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. We are about to witness an epic clash in the Juniors Division. I am Jasper Abante, and together with me is L.A. Lapid, and we are excited to bring you all the live actions, live drama, and of course the unforgettable moments only here on Bucal Facebook Live, also to Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. We are live also via One Media TV48 Naga YouTube channel, via One Media TV48 Naga, and of course Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Well, the battle in the second round just got even hotter as we approach the second to the last week of our elimination round, and this time it's the Mariners Blue Dolphins taking on the number 2 seed Genesis Roaring Lions, where our standings is the Genesis Roaring Lions is currently at 6-2 and the Mariners Blue Dolphins currently at 2-6 in their win-loss column. And yesterday it was the matchup we've all witnessed, and it's the NCF Cubs and the ACLC Hawks bringing the whole community in the matchup last Friday, wherein the ACLC toppled down the former Kings of Division 1 and winning their matchup against the NCF Cubs. It is a revenge, sweet revenge by the ACLC Hawks versus the NCF Cubs. It ended in 72-61, and JB Basagre, former Cub, now a player of the ACLC Hawks, hailed as the player of the game yesterday. But this time, we'll be seeing if the Mariners Blue Dolphins can pull up an upset against the number 2 seed Genesis Roaring Lions.
Alright, so this morning, sigurado ako LA, maganda yung pagsisimula ng ating Saturday action dahil we have here the number 2 seed, the Genesis Roaring Lions, with 6 wins and 2 losses standings. Makakatapat nila ngayon ang ating Mariners Blue Dolphins in the Juniors Division. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga preparations nitong ating Mpcf Dolphins dahil for sure pinaghandaan nila ito ng maayos dahil ayun na nga, ang katapat nila ngayon is the number 2 seed in the Division 2. Alright, so titingnan natin kung ano yung mga inihanda nila for us. And of course, sa mga team bahay dyan na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live, dyan lamang po kayo dahil maya-maya po magsa-shoutout po kami. And as we can see, patuloy yung pagdating ng ating mga supporters all the way from Pili, Camarines Sur on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And as we can see naman on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, medyo paparating pa lang sila pero for sure nakatutok sila sa ating live coverage.
Well, we have 5 quintuple header games for this Saturday edition of Bucal, but this time let's focus more on the first game. This morning we have the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the Genesis Roaring Lions. Well, the Mariners Blue Dolphins got their first and second win when they faced the Pasacao Academy White Tigers, and the Genesis Roaring Lions was defeated in the first round by the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, which ended in a second overtime, and they got their second loss against the USI Falcons in the second round. And the USI Falcons currently have defeated 2 of the powerhouse teams, the Daraga National High School and the Genesis Roaring Lions. But in the first round, the Genesis Roaring Lions almost swept the first round of elimination in Division 2 of Bucal Season 6 Juniors Division.
Alright, so we have our lovely ladies here. On the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions, makakasama natin si Casey, and on the side naman of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, makakasama natin si Rain. Alright, so let's hear an update from the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Tawagin na natin ang ating napakagandang courtside reporter, Casey. Take it away.
Thank you, LA and Jasper. Rise and shine, Bicolandia. This is Casey and Chokya, and we're live and ready to dive into today's first matchup. It's the Genesis Roaring Lions versus the Mpcf Blue Dolphins Juniors Division. Expect nothing less than a battle of skill, speed, and strategy. Matatandaan natin, the Genesis Roaring Lions roared to victory last weekend, dominating the STI Olympians in a game that left fans on the edge of their seats. Kanina nga ay nakausap ko si Coach Alden ng Genesis Roaring Lions at ibinahagi niya na mas paiigtingin pa nila ang kanilang depensa. They are going no mercy today upang mapanatili ang kanilang standing for this round. Mas pinatibay rin nila ang resistensya ng kanilang mga players upang siguradong makasurvive sa pressure ng laro. Dagdag niya pa, may tiwala siya sa kanyang team ngunit hindi sila magpapakampante dahil ika niya nga bilog ang bola. But as they face the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, isang malaking tanong ang bumabalot sa laban. Will the Roaring Lions continue to reign supreme or are the Blue Dolphins ready to shock everyone with a surprise victory? That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Grabe, magandang laban talagang matutunghayan natin ngayon, LA, dahil narinig natin the Genesis Roaring Lions will be having no mercy on this ball game as they face off against the Mpcf Blue Dolphins as they drew the first blood. And this matchup, once again, Monpon Banwa getting that 2 free throws after that shooting foul. And on the other side naman, let's hear an update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Let's call on our courtside reporter Rain to give us an update. Alright, so Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Jasper and LA, and a pleasant morning to all our live Facebook viewers here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. As you can see, we are now on the battle of the Genesis Roaring Lions versus the Mariners Blue Dolphins. I am Rain Reyes, and I am your courtside reporter on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Talking to their head coach, Coach Tansal said, made me believe that the Dolphins will be showing and giving the Lions a good fight today. Their trainings were more focused on their defense since they know that they will be facing a fast and strong opponent today. With them being aware of the capabilities of their opponent only made the Dolphins eager and determined to have a victory. Now mga kaibigan, abangan natin if the Dolphins will be able to take home the victory today. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Alright, so abangan natin, LA, kung ano yung depensang ginawa nila. Dahil kilala naman natin itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions sa kanilang fast facing and sa kanilang opensang napaka-dominant ng kanilang opensa. And as we can see, the Mpcf Blue Dolphins still 0 dito sa ating first minute and 30 seconds. But a whistle here on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, and as our courtside reporter says that the Mpcf Blue Dolphins is eager to take home the victory. Titingnan natin yan kung paano nga nila maiuuwi ang panalo ngayong umaga.
And the Mariners Blue Dolphins being forced to go outside by the Genesis Roaring Lions, and that's a good sign of defense for the Genesis Roaring Lions as they force to the Mariners Blue Dolphins to go outside and step on the line. And here comes Cosinero, bring it out to number 13, but doesn't go in.
Now Mpcf Blue Dolphins basketball, jersey number 21 goes to the outside to jersey number 77. No good on that 3-point attempt. Now turnover on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now jersey number 5 Bernales has it for an alley-oop shot sana, pero no good on that attempt. Turnover on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins as jersey number 24 to inbound. Now, Sambahon to jersey number 21, De Leon. Sambahon once again, double team and a steal here by Cosinero using his left hand, putting that 2 points, and that's good for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Still 0 pa rin pa ang ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins.
Well, it's a good start for the Genesis Roaring Lions as they are now starting strong here, and they started a 5-0 run against the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Once again, the Genesis Roaring Lions, jersey number 41 Punzalan, with that mid-range jumper, overshoots. And
well, the main problem here when it comes to the defense of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, they tend to triple team a single player of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Therefore, anyone in the Genesis Roaring Lions can be open to catch a pass from one of their teammates. And the 14-second shot clock is reset here. Almost a 3-point play opportunity for number 41, Ivor Punzalan.
Napakagandang pagsisimula for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Punzalan for his free throw, and that's good.
Now they are on a 6-0 run against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. I like the placards here of the Genesis Roaring Lions. I think it's the game plan of the Genesis Roaring Lions cheering squad, and a timeout is issued by Coach Dan Salceda to stop the momentum being brought by the Genesis Roaring Lions. And as I can see in the placard, I see silence, please. But I think no one will go silent in this ball game, as Genesis Roaring Lions, one of the teams that has a much loud of a cheer, also to the ACLC Hawks, the Ateneo Golden Knights, and also the NCF Cubs. Kaya madami maglalaban dito para sa best crowd for different schools and universities. Kasi yung last time, the last season, season 5, it's the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Cubs won the best crowd ever. And for season 4, for the first time, the inaugural award was awarded to the ACLC Hawks.
Alright, so we'll see kung ano yung ginawang adjustments dito ng ating MPCF Blue Dolphins para naman mahinto yung momentum na dala nitong ating Genesis Roaring Lions, and of course makapuntos na kaya sila dito sa kanilang after that timeout that they've issued. Now MPCF Blue Dolphins basketball, jersey number 77, pero a steal by Cosinero, pero no good. Sayang yung opportunity na iyon.
Well, they don't have to inbound there in the corner because it is a trapping zone, and right now nag full court man-to-man trapping yung Genesis Roaring Lions. Therefore masyado silang na-forced to commit those turnovers early here in the first quarter, and Beltran being trapped, double team by Monpon Banwa and Punzalan, and he committed an 8 seconds violation.
Grabe, a man-to-man trapping ang pinapakita na dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Hindi na nila pinapatawid itong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins. Grabe, nakikita natin LA yung sinasabi nilang they will never give a mercy. No mercy sila dito sa larong ito, pero let's see kung paano yan gagampanan ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions after the 3 points by Monpon Banwa. Grabe, once again,
Monpon Banwa shooting lights out against the Mariners Blue Dolphins, and that shot doesn't go in for the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now Cosinero on that 3 points attempt, almost a 3 points, but now defensive rebound, jersey number 24, and the same ball possession as jersey number 77 Peña getting that foul. And as we can see, 10-0 run committed by the Genesis Roaring Lions, and as we can see, yung ating MPCF Blue Dolphins is now on the penalty situation. Now Cosinero hands it to jersey number 41 Punzalan, getting that layup. Grabe, patuloy ang pagpuntos dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Once again, MPCF Blue Dolphins, jersey number 24 Beltran hands it to Sambahon. Now Sambahon to De Leon, and a whistle committed by jersey number 41 Punzalan. Now Ryan Ganahan, one of the key players of the Genesis Roaring Lions, checked in and change of jersey number 7 Cosinero. Now Peña,
and Peña almost getting a slice on that defense, and when he passed it to Ryan Ganahan, but still failed to capitalize here, and here comes an equalizer, and that stops the bleeding of the Mariners Blue Dolphins as they got their first official point courtesy of Sambahon. Mon Panbanwa stops, pops. Rebound there by Ivor Punzalan, but Ryan Sambahon, I think, called for a foul. Allen Sambahon rather. Biglang napangalanan ko si Ryan Sambahon. Oo nga pala, si Ryan Ganahan yung and also Sambahon, Allen Sambahon, I think it's like a reference to Johnny Conagara shared post when he put his caption bakit ako yung nasa poster ng Mariners Blue Dolphins versus, I think it was the Pasakaw Academy. I think we can have a picture of him. I think we can have a picture of this too. And makita natin kung magkamukha ba talaga si Sambahon and si John Nico Naga. Speaking of the John Nico Naga, team captain of the ACC, I think team captain, they'll be facing tomorrow in their matchup against Ateneo Golden Knights. It's the second round of elimination. And 11-second shot clock here.
Out of bounds, stepping on the line as the Mpcf Blue Dolphins will take that ball possession. And we are about to approach the 4th minute mark of our first quarter. Now Mpcf ball possession, 21 De Leon. Now, a man-to-man defense by the Roaring Lions, pero De Leon comes short and out of bounds as the same ball possession for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins.
Well, De Leon, in the first minute of the first quarter, he's been throwing up some point for the Mariners Blue Dolphins, but always coming up short. And here comes Dave Dumalasa losing that ball, and there was a foul when Ganahan and Sambahon trying to save that ball. Instead, a pushing foul called on him.
Now, ball possession of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, jersey number 77, Dumalasa to inbound with 14 seconds on the shot clock. And the Genesis Roaring Lions are in the warning for penalty situation. Now, Dumalasa inbounded to Sambahon, looking for a good opportunity here. Now, jersey number 24, Beltran to Dumalasa once again, and out of bounds.
Well, great deflection there by Peña as they wind down the shot clock just to 4 seconds. And the Mariners Blue Dolphins will be forced to take long shots here. And hope that shot will go in for the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now, Dumalasa and another out of bounds. 2 seconds na lang ang natira sa shot clock dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Once again, a steal by Abache. Nagmamadali, pero hindi pumayag dyan si De Leon. Out of bounds as the Mpcf Blue Dolphins will really take that same ball possession. Grabe.
Like the hang time of De Leon when he passed it to Dumalasa, but it goes out of bounds because I think it got a touch one of the player of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And here comes Paul Beltran looking to size things up here.
But a block there by Nieva. Now Genesis Roaring Lions, Ganahan using his left hand for that layup. Napakagandang aksyon by Ryan Ganahan on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Patuloy ang pagdagdag dito ng kanilang puntos. Abache missed that opportunity pero hindi siya dito pumayag. Dinukot niya pa yan sa kanan.
And Ganahan doing a push-up. Well, that pass was a while ago and Dahero got hit here.
And as we can see,
I think it's taunting.
Alright, so we'll see. Jersey number 24, Beltran. Ayan at
Well, it's
napakainit na agad ang pagsisimula ng ating Saturday quintuple header action as the hero called a warning for taunting.
it's actually technical na. So another technical will cause him to go outside the playing court and to be suspended for 1 game if 2 technical fouls occur.
Ayan, so we'll see. 16-3, Dumalasa getting that free throw. Now, jersey number 0, Revilla for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, well guarded by Nieva.
Well, the
And,
presence of Nieva in the paint forced the Mariners Blue Dolphins to actually doesn't get more in the inside and force them to take hard shots. And it's actually a 13-point lead of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Biggest margin right now of the Genesis Roaring Lions as number 2 of the Blue Dolphins, Bilir. Doesn't get that first free throw on his 2 free throw chances.
Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay John Ray Rabang of the STI Olympians, Kat Dahero, Eric Calig, Joris Loyola, Jasper Terobias, John Ray Pablo, and Christian Laniog na nakatutok sa ating Bucal Facebook Live. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. Now on the run, Ganahan, natawagan dito ng traveling violation. A missed opportunity by Ganahan on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Syempre, LA traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, ball possession of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Sambahon, well guarded by Ganahan here, but a screen by De Leon. Now, jersey number 23 hands it to De Leon for that 3 points. Almost a 3 points, but another opportunity for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And almost a steal, but jersey number 24 almost getting that 2 points. Now, Peña for the Genesis Roaring Lions.
Well, the Genesis Roaring Lions, they got a nice touch in the basketball, especially they're trying to put fingertips on it to get a steal, and Nieva almost taking that shot, but from the corner doesn't go in for Ganahan. And a good save by Nieva or Peña, and here comes Ganahan, fires a long triple and hits the post, and will go turnover for the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now Blue Dolphins jersey number 24 Beltran to inbound. Hands it to Sambahon. Now Sambahon well guarded by Ganahan here. Nako, parang ayaw pumayag ni Ganahan na makatawid yung bola dito. Now Sambahon.
Especially almost forced a backcourt violation, but that doesn't stop Sambahon from making that shot for the Blue Dolphins.
Peña to Abache. Napakagandang assist by Peña. Abache getting that layup.
Well, Peña sneaking that pass to Abache. And there's still a 13-point lead here. And De Leon, look at that spin as he tips that one and lays it up. That's good.
Now, Peña almost an out of bounds, but Nieva managed to get that ball. No hesitation. Once again, Nieva. And a whistle. Grabe. Almost a 3-point play opportunity for Nieva, but Nieva will get the 2 free throws as we are down to the last 33 seconds of our first quarter. 7-18, 11 points lead. Dagdagan pa yan ang isa ni Nieva. 12 points lead of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Pasalamatan na muna natin dito ang ating Major sponsors, we have the Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo and Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Poker Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions, as Nieva getting that 2 free throws. 20-7, 13 points lead of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now 30 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Jersey number 1, but a steal here by jersey number 6. Another steal by Belir. Now jersey number 24, Beltran.
Nearly outbalanced Paul Beltran, and here comes that 15-footer, but does it go in? Therefore, shot clock is off. 13 seconds to shoot for the Genesis Roaring Lions.
Now let's see, but a steal and out of bounds. Binawasan dito ng 3 segundo ni Casaldon yung oras ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions to shoot. Now Ganahan almost, but no good on that attempt by Ganahan. Now Beltran, and that's the end of our first quarter. Hindi na doon nakaabot si Beltran on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. 20-7, 13 points lead of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And dyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Well, the action continues live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the start of the second quarter. And this time, it's the Madness Blue Dolphins basketball to start things over here in the second quarter as Sambahon hands it to Belir. And a double tapping right now by Peña and Punzal and number 14 of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And here comes the Roaring Lions for the attack. And tries to slow things down here for a moment. As Peña one-on-one with Belir, and Belir getting a touch of that basketball, and first point here for the Blue Dolphins in the second quarter as Beltran finishing it by using the glass.
Now Peña for the Roaring Lions on the corner. Dahero hands it to Peña once again. Peña, maraming bantay dun si Peña, but Peña get that ball once again. But a steal here by Sambahon. Hands it to Dumalasa. Now nagmamadali. Almost a 2 points. Grabe, a missed opportunity of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Yucamco.
Almost getting a good touch on that baseball pass is Beltran, but ball slipped away from his hand while on flight to get that layup. And here's a couple of substitution for the Roaring Lions.
Now, Beltran inbounded the ball to Dumalasa, but Dumalasa steps on the line. Turnover on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, jersey number 5, Bernales to Dahero. Now, De La Rama, a steal by Dumalasa. Now, Belir, libreng-libre sana, pero Dumalasa overpassed it. Grabe. Back-to-back missed opportunity on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now, Bernales once again for the Roaring Lions. Jersey number 14 to Nieva. Double team Nieva. Almost a save, but jersey number 3.
Pares big man tong number 3 ng Mariners and number 3 of the Roaring Lions. We have Justin Nieva and Roosevelt Badong. Nice unique names, by the way, for these players. And timeout called by the Genesis Roaring Lions. They're still in the lead here with 11-point lead. Genesis leading against the trailing Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Now, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC, Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga, University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. Now let's hear an update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter, Rain. Take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and LA. On a tough start, the Dolphins immediately had to make adjustments and avoid too much dribble. Call for a play and communicate for the team to be able to secure the ball. With the first quarter ending in favor of the Lions, the players aim to improve their strategy for their offense and defense once in the hard court. Be mindful of our practices, sabi nga ni Coach Tan. Reminders on not delaying the pass and applying the man-to-man defense was given bago magsimula ang second quarter. Abangan natin kung paano babawi ang Dolphins on the next round. That's it for now. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and LA.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now, tingnan natin, LA, kung paano dito makakabawi itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins using the communication and their teamwork. And ika pa nga dito ni Coach Tan ay wag i-delay yung pasa and continue to display a man-to-man defense.
Oo naman, since nakikipagsabayan na sila sa laro ngayon ng Genesis Roaring Lions. But this time, let's hear an update from the opposite side of our baseline. Let's call our courtside reporter, Casey and Chokya of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Casey?
LA and Jasper, pinakitaan nga agad tayo ng isang napakagandang laro ng Genesis Roaring Lions during the first quarter as they dominated the scoreboard. Kitang-kita ang bisa ng kanilang mas pinaigting na depensa, making it hard for the Blue Dolphins to penetrate. During their huddle, pinuri ni Coach Alden ang kanilang performance, but he reminded his team to share the ball to execute an effective ball rotation. For the second quarter nga, they will play man-to-man and let's see kung mapapanatili ng team ang kanilang momentum. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update on the Genesis Roaring Lions. And right now, they still continue what they have started in the first quarter, which is the man-to-man trapping defense. They are being enforced, and look at that. Rolling that layup, doing it with style and with fashion, but it doesn't go in, but 2 free throws will be awarded to Roosevelt Padong.
Now, 6 minutes and 56 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and of course, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. Special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC Digital Graphics. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Now, back to the ball game. Ball possession here of the Genesis Roaring Lions as jersey number 14 hands it to Bernales. Now Bernales to Dahero. Now Punzalan, mid-range jumper, and that's good. Now Mpcf Blue Dolphins, Sambahon. The jersey number 21 De Leon to Sambahon once again. No good on that pull-up jumper once again. Pero Nieva get that defensive rebound. A steal here by Beltran. Sambahon getting that 3 points play opportunity. Grabe. Let's take a look once again. Hinarangan siya doon ni Punzalan.
Nice ball control there by Sambahon, by the way. And here comes a 3-point play opportunity. And misses it, but there was a push on Badong of the Blue Dolphins. Kung mapapansin nyo sa inyong TV screens and also in your live stream in Oragon Sports TV and Bucal, as you can see, there are two logos. From the right side of your screens, we have the Oragon Sports TV, and from the left side, we have the National Basketball Training Center, or the NBTC. It will be madness in MOA for NBTC Nationals, and whoever wins this match or whoever wins this championship for Bucal Season 6 Juniors Division, they'll have a chance to take their shot at the madness in MOA in Mall of Asia Arena. But before that, they have to take a series of qualifying tournaments to enter the NBTC. And the winner of the championship game in Bucal will be the will banner Naga City in the National Basketball Training Center regional qualifying tournament. The regional qualifying tournament, and also in Madness in MOA, whoever wins both the Bucal Championship and the regional qualifying championship of NBTC.
Now, Roaring Lions, a long pass to the Hero, pero out of bounds as the NPCF Blue Dolphins will take that ball possession as we are approaching the midway of our second quarter. Now, Sambahon. No good on that attempt by Sambahon. Now, the Hero. Jersey number 9, Monpon Banwa. Double T, Monpon Banwa. The Hero getting that 3 points. Nothing but the net. Clean
Alam ko
basket.
nothing but the basket ang sabi mo. Yung pala, that's a clean basket and nothing but the net for number 10 of the Roaring Lions.
Now, Sambahon to Beltran. Gumanti ng tres. Almost a 3 points, but the ball hit the glass. Once again, Badong overshoot, and the defensive rebound by Monpon Banwa. Now Bernales for the Roaring Lions. Pull-up jumper, no good on that attempt by Punzalan. Once again, Punzalan hands it to Nieva, and makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws si Nieva after that foul by Belir. Patuloy ang pagdagdag dito ng puntos ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. 27-12. Dagdagan pa yan ng isa ni Nieva. Once again, Nieva for his second free throw. No good on that second attempt by Nieva. Now Dumalasa.
And the Genesis Roaring Lions continuing the positioning of that full court man-to-man trapping they've been enforcing. And here comes to slice up the defense. Belir getting that teardrop shot to go, and Genesis Roaring Lions will have to answer that shot. And the Hero almost near from the corner. Punzalan, no good na that fade away.
A good steal by Belir, and jersey number 24 Beltran getting that 2 points layup, and that forces Coach Alden of the Genesis Roaring Lions to issue a timeout. Titingnan natin dito kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito. And as we can see on our screen, the MPCF Blue Dolphins discussing their game plan. Titingnan din natin kung ano yung bawi as the Genesis Roaring Lions leading by 12 points.
And shout out to our medical staff. We have Roy Jerseson Boban, James Orapa, Lawrence Pontanilla Pielago, wow, full name, Lau Pielago, and Angelica May Peña Flor. We also have Desiree and Gia Arana, also a member of the medical staff. We also have our photographers. Here in Bucal, we call them Parapitik. We have Kuya Sherwin Perez, Yowen Perez, or SY Photography. Photography ni Wewe, Jerwin Dumalasa Photography, KJ Productions, Keith Jimenez, and also Kuya Tad of the Ateneo and the Bucal official photographer.
Now, back to the ball game. Cosinero hands it to Punzalan. Now Punzalan double team on the corner. What an alley-oop play by Monpon Banwa and Punzalan. Napakagandang dos. Now, let's see kung anong bawi naman ang gagawin dito. Pero another chance, but a missed chance, a missed opportunity on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, MPCF Blue Dolphins, Dumalasa. Now to Dumalasa, no good on that attempt by Dumalasa, and a whistle, but a coach's challenge issued by Coach Alden of the Genesis Roaring Lions, and a timeout called by the MPCF Blue Dolphins. 16-30, 14 points lead of the Genesis Roaring Lions. We'll see kung ano nga ba yung nangyari on that last sequence after our replay or that coach's challenge called by Coach Alden.
Well, the officials will have a closer look on that sequence a while ago. Especially, we still have 9 seconds left on the shot clock and 2 minutes and 37 seconds left in the second quarter. With the Genesis Roaring Lions still leading against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And let's wait for the official decision of our game officials for this matchup. And right now, gusto natin pasalamatan ang ating sponsors. We have Converge FiberX, Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear Apparel, Garden Café, Naga in Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Fighting Range, and Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Revenues Communications Incorporated. We have Aman Engineering Enterprise, We Build to Last, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Realizing Dream Communities, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippine Shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, BMEG, Alagang number 1, Department of Agriculture, Bicol. And right now, there's the official verdict of our game officials. And the challenge is unsuccessful for Coach Alden. Therefore, the ball possession will remain on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Let's take a look once again. And as we can see, jersey number 7, Cosinero,
getting a touch on that. And Dumalasa airballs a 3 and a shot clock violation for the Blue Dolphins.
Now, jersey number 77, Peña, hands it to Monpon Banwa with 2 minutes and 19 seconds on the game clock. 30-16, 14 points lead of the Genesis Roaring Lions in a traveling violation.
Ref Ronnie says, it's a traveling violation committed by number 77, Peña. And traveling is more fun with Nagayon Traveling and Tours, Nagayon, Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, and also to Lemon Residences, one of our sponsor for Bucal.
Grabe. Nag-traveling ka ka na, may sponsor ka pa. That's
also
Bucal.
Our game officials for this match is Rosel Ponting, Ronnie Malenisa, and Bonano Chumacera Jr. And there goes a backcourt violation committed by Aled Sambahon. We still have the last 2 minutes for the second quarter.
Now, on the corner, Cosinero hands it to jersey number 14, Yucamco, nothing but the net. Atid sa atin yan ang Converge ICT Solutions.
And
Grabe, napakalinis magtrabaho doon ni Yucamco, ha.
That's a spot in the top of the key, and once again, airballing that shot is the Mariners Blue Dolphins, and Belir airballs that one.
Now Yucamco once again for the Genesis Roaring Lions with that pass.
Once
Pero
again,
another traveling violation issued to the Genesis Roaring Lions. Once again, LA, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now Mpcf Blue Dolphins, a couple of substitution as we are approaching the last minute of the first half.
and we would like to give a shout out to Jeffrey Dupit and also to the Bachelor of Science and Food Technology of Biscast. Na mamaya din, Biscast versus the STI Olympians for our main event, the 5 p.m. game. And also STI will go back to back for the juniors and the seniors for today. I saw the post of Coach Noel Ordaz that he will go back to back, and I've checked the schedule, and for 3 p.m. it's the juniors, and for the seniors it's 5 p.m.
Once again, jersey number 0 for his second free throw as we are on the last minute of our first half. No good on that attempt, and the defensive rebound here by jersey number 73. Now Ryan Ganahan looking for a good pass. Hands it to Yucamco.
I thought Ganahan was almost getting that shot, and Abache getting there on that defense of the Blue Dolphins. Back pass to Abache, but shot clock winds down, and it will be the Blue Dolphins basketball. A good D here by the Blue Dolphins. And Abache almost saving it, but he falls down into the floor and ball goes out of bounds. And Coach Alden, look at such of a sorrow on his face, but still smiling after that almost saved by Abache. And look at that fast break opportunity. Abache owning up to his mistake and getting a point for the Roaring Lions with shot clock is off with 15 seconds left on our game clock.
Nakabawi agad doon si Abache. Now, jersey number 21, De Leon.
Making it up to Coach Alden.
With 5 seconds. De
Here,
Leon
fires a three.
getting that 3 points on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Saktong-sakto sa pagtatapos ng ating first half. 19-35, 16 points lead of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
We are once again live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second half of this battle. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and LA Lapid. Now, first blood for the second half by Ryan Ganahan of the Genesis Roaring Lions. 16 points lead ang hawak nilang kalamangan dito. 18 points lead rather. Now jersey number 24, Beltran fires for the 3 and that's good. Magandang bawi naman at magandang pagsimula ng ating second half on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins as Beltran getting that clean basket. And also Punzalan with that fadeaway shot. Once again Beltran. Pero on the side naman of the Roaring Lions, Abache.
Mariners Blue Dolphins looking to shock the system of the Genesis Roaring Lions as there goes that back-to-back points also by the Genesis Roaring Lions. And Sambaon looks to get away with number 5 of the Roaring Lions, Bernales. And Dumalasa will inbound the ball for the Blue Dolphins with 14 seconds left on the shot clock. And our courtside reporter for the Mariners Blue Dolphins is right now and ready to give us a report. Rain Reyes, give us an update for the Blue Dolphins.
Hello, Jasper and LA. The the second quarter was yet another round they lost against the Lions. But still, despite this, improvements were seen in the performance of the Dolphins. Be aware of the trapping of the opponent and adjust your positions. Give way to the player holding the ball and make a path to make a basket. With the standing, hindi pa rin mawawalan ng kumpiyansa ang Dolphins dahil eager sila bumawi sa round na ito as they will take the points back this second half. Now this is the Dolphins ready to continue the fight. That's it for now. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and LA.
Thank you so much, Rain, for giving us that update for the Blue Dolphins. Well, now, the Blue Dolphins have taken their shot 11.11% from the three-point line and 1/9 from their three-point field goals. And also for the Genesis Roaring Lions, they have a good upstart with 3 out of 8 and 37.50% have been shot and made by the Genesis Roaring Lions. And it's a good offensive run for the Roaring Lions so far. And our courtside reporter for the Genesis Roaring Lions is now standing, and let's check him in, and let's check her in to have an update for the Roaring Lions. Casey, what's your update?
LA and Jasper, as we enter the third quarter, Coach Alden emphasized during their huddle to tighten up their defense, slow down the game, and make sure they don't rush their plays. He also pointed out the need to lessen the turnovers na naging issue sa team during the second quarter. Ika nga ni Coach, ang bola ay parang girlfriend nyo, huwag nyong ibigay. And his final words before they hit the court, gawin nyo lahat and the Lions are ready to lay it all on the line. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update from the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Grabe naman yun, LA, yung advice ni Coach Alden for his players na ang bola daw ay parang girlfriend, wag ibigay. And I think that's the word of motivation of Coach Alden for his players para naman masigpitan yung kanilang depensa and to avoid these errors, lalo na pagdating sa turnover. And as we can see dito sa ating halftime analysis, mas marami yung turnovers dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins kesa naman sa turnovers ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. And we'll see kung paano nila mas pahigpitin yung kanilang depensa dito dahil hindi rin naman pumapayag itong ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins na makalayo sila ng sobrang layo.
And I like the words of motivation for Coach Alden. I think we should not call him Coach Alden, but rather Coach Alden. I think abang pa tayo sa mga words of motivation na sasabihin ng ating mga coaches, especially what motivates the team or what motivates the player to play more in this hard court. And Allen Sambaon, and it goes into the hands of Monpon Banwa and will remain for the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And a shout out to Kayla Kasulya of the NCF Tigers and also the NCF Cubs. And I think he will be having a report from one of the teams for this game, for the later games for this day. And there was a foul on Ryan Ganahan, a pushing foul.
Now, 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter as the Mpcf Blue Dolphins will take the same ball possession. Now, jersey number 21, De Leon, so inbound. Now to Sambahon. Sambahon, no hesitation, but no good on that attempt. And a defensive rebound here by Abachi. Nagmamadali, alley-oop game. And that's good for that alley-oop play by Abachi and Ryan Ganahan, getting that 2 points on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. De Leon getting that 3 points. Grabing palitan ng puntos dito. De
Looks
Leon.
like a power play for De Leon and an alley-oop connection for the Genesis Roaring Lions as it is provided by Converge FiberX. Upgrade your fiber plan now and enjoy unlimited internet and fast connection. And here comes Dumalasa.
Almost a 3 points by Dumalasa. Pero Roaring Lions, Abache, libre. Dagdagan pa natin yan ng 2 puntos on the side of the Genesis Rolling Lions,
Well,
27 to 51.
Roaring Lions taking advantage of that open space of Abache, and they make that long pass to capitalize that fast break opportunity for them.
Now jersey number 5 Bernales of the Roaring Lions. A whistle has been issued to jersey number 13 after that pushing foul. Now Ryan Ganahan to inbound down the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now Genesis Roaring Lions with 5 minutes and 26 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Now Bernales.
Shot clock winding down to 10.
Lumayo dito si Bernales, pero once again Bernales
to Sain.
Bernales long 3. Almost a 3.
Looks like that
nun.
shot selection was the same from Alex Cario when he was a player of the STI Olympians in the juniors division, and Dumalasa fires a 3-pointer with swag there. And Ryan Ganahan
with that off-balance
and there's
shot.
that taunting for Ryan Ganahan as he looked to do the same also to Dave Dumalasa. A while ago, there was a non-call there on the 3-point shot by Dave Dumalasa, and as Dave Dumalasa also shouted on Ryan Ganahan, but that shot a while ago by Ganahan as he make that fadeaway shot, he also do the same thing to Dave Dumalasa, and he was slapped with a technical foul, and a technical free throw will be given to Dave Dumalasa.
Grabe.
Taking deep breaths on that free throw, and he makes that one on that infraction a while ago.
The same ball possession pa rin dito for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins.
Well, the technical foul pala a while ago, it was for taunting. And also same thing with the in the field of the UAAP, where Moto Ongkara was slapped with 2 technical fouls. Therefore, he won't play on the game against Ateneo Blue Eagles later this afternoon.
Grabe yung pull-up jumper na yun ni Adan on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. 35 to 53. Now, Roaring Lions, Bernales. To jersey number 13, Sain, almost a 3 points. Now, Monpon Banwa on the corner, Ryan Ganahan.
Short corner for Ganahan. He makes that one. That's a fiery triple for Ryan Ganahan. And there's a switch, and there's a pick by Adan to Bernales. Dumalasa. No good on that 3. And Abache. Fast break opportunity. Almost a dunk there. Almost a slamorama. And there comes number 13 to the rescue, Christian Sain.
Now, Dumalasa of the MPCF Blue Dolphins with 14 seconds to shoot. Beltran.
Wrong pass.
Grabe, magandang pasa sana yun kung nakuha yun. Pero Monpon Banwa getting that right hand layup for the Genesis Roaring Lions. 35 to 60. A 25 points lead of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now Dumalasa using his right hand, getting that 2 points. Now, Roaring Lions once again. Magandang palitan ng puntos dito, LA.
Here comes Abache against Adan, but no good on that.
Steal here by De Leon. Nagmamadali De Leon, but a steal by Monpon Banwa. Back-to-back missed opportunities naman ang pinapakita nitong dalawang teams na ito. Now, on the corner, once again, Ryan Ganahan, almost a 3 points, pero may kasabay na whistle na yan this time. after that foul by jersey number 2 Bilir. Therefore, jersey number 73 Abache getting that 2 free throws on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC, Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bucal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Gravinus Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. We also have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, Department of Agriculture, Bicol, and of course BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. Now back to the ball game.
Genesis Roaring Lions making it hard now for the Mariners Blue Dolphins as they continue a scoring run here in the third quarter with 2 minutes left in action for the third quarter. And here comes that shot, but no good for Belir or for Beltran.
Now, Roaring Lions, Peña hands it to Dahero. Almost a 3. Kala ko magte-tres na doon. Pero pinasa pa kay Nieva. But the ball will go on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Dahero was open there, pero he chose to pass that ball to Nieva. Now, Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 0, Revilla. A man-to-man trapping here. Revilla hands it to jersey number 23, Sambahon. No good on that 2 points.
And I saw that Kat a while ago was trying to play also with our teams right now. And in the front court of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And here comes the Roaring Lions to play. And Nieva was fouled there by Jerick Adan. I think Elias is also a part of the family of cats, and therefore that cat wants also to play with the Roaring Lions, and Nieva gets that first free throw. I think we got that on camera. One minute to play here, and Sambao one-on-one with Peña, and Adan screen Peña, and here comes Badong. Foul there by Nieva. And Dave Dumalasa check in once again for Robin Revilla.
That's good for that first attempt by Badong. 54 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Badong once again for that free throw. Now 39-67. Peña for the Roaring Lions. Now Peña looking for a good opportunity here. Well guarded by Dumalasa, and a traveling violation has been called to jersey number 77, of the Roaring Lions, Kian Dominic Peña. And syempre, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, Sambahon of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins getting that same ball possession after that out of bounds. Now, Sambahon with 14 seconds to shoot, almost a deflection, but
there was a traveling violation.
a back-to-back traveling violation of both of these teams.
"25 seconds left in the third quarter with 19 seconds left on the shot clock. There's the hero, but Badong was there to hold him off that paint, and Nieva grasping on his knee as he falls down hard on the floor. As you can see there on your screens, it's Nieva.
And Coach Alden is there to check Nieva.
It's a huge blow also to the Roaring Lions as they lost a big man here for the Roaring Lions as he will be substituted. Kanina sa second quarter, I've been observing him on how he moves, and he was apparently limping a bit when Coach Alden called a timeout. But right now, he will be assessed by our medical staff if there will be a possible serious injury for him. And Abache or Peña getting that one layup for the Roaring Lions, and 3 seconds to shoot here. Peña. And kaboom! Peña firing it just as the game clock was winding down. And let's have a clear look at it.
Grabe, very timing Peña getting that 3 points, and isa pa LA, clean basket by Peña, nothing but the net. And that's the end of our third quarter, 39-72 in favor of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the fourth and final quarter. Ayan, at kami pa rin po ang inyong mga kasama, Jasper Abante and LA Lape dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Now, jersey number 24 for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, Sambahon. Almost a deflection, but Badong managed to get that ball. And Badong natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 13 of the Genesis Roaring Lions, Sain. And Badong will get that 2 free throws. No good on that first attempt by Badong. Well, the Genesis Roaring Lions is leading a big margin here. As we can see, 33 big points. Now, Genesis Roaring Lions, Peña.
And Peña looking to size things up here with Dumalasa and Yucamco against Sambahon. Hands it to Peña with 5 seconds left to shoot here. And been scrambling with the ball, but there goes number 21 of the Blue Dolphins, and there goes a foul on number 14. Vanu, or number 13 of the Genesis Roaring Lions, we have Christian Sayed, and on the line to shoot free throws is John Michael De Leon for the Blue Dolphins. Well, I think the drum roll have been distracting the Mariners Blue Dolphins to miss that free throw. But he makes that one. He recovers that one on that second free throw attempt. And Cosinero will be checking in. And number 9, Cabral of the Mariners Blue Dolphins also will look to check here against the Genesis Roaring Lions. Yucamco swings it to Cosinero. Now goes to the inside. A quick pass. No good on that shot. And Punzalan, Ivor Punzalan, foul there by Roosevelt Badong as he commits his third personal foul for this game. And he doesn't get that first free throw attempt. And he recovers that second free throw attempt, and it goes in. And up next will be the Pasacao Academy White Tigers looking to square off with the number 1 seed, Naga National High School Defenders of Faith. 11 a.m. Step off starts at 11 a.m. And a quick 3-pointer, but it doesn't go in, and Ivor Punzalan will be left with 12 seconds to shoot. And also for our third game, we have at 1 p.m. the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon looking to square things up with a home team, Ateneo Golden Knights, and the STI versus the USI Falcons for the Juniors Division, and the STI and the Bucal State College of Applied Sciences and Technology at 5 p.m. And for tomorrow's game, we have the USI and the CSPC, UNC and the ACC. Seniors for the first game, juniors for the second game, and ACC versus Ateneo for the seniors, and UNC and NCF for the seniors division. And let's have a quick update. Let's have a quick chit-chat with our courtside reporter coming from the Genesis Roaring Lions. Casey, take it away.
Thank you, LA and Jasper. The previous quarter was all about the Roaring Lions as they pulled away and established a commanding lead against the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Ngunit sila ay hindi magpapakampante at pananatilihin ang mahigpit na depensa. Kaya naman ating subaybayan kung sino ang magwawagi sa labanang ito only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update for the Roaring Lions. So right now, it's the Roaring Lions show, and it's all about the Roaring Lions so far. But it's nothing to be complacent in this fourth quarter, as it's still a long way to go. We have still a long minute for the Roaring Lions and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And Cosinero passed it to the wrong man, and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. And let's have a quick update for the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Let's check in Rain Reyes. Rain, what is your update?
Thank you, Jasper and LA. Heading to the fourth and final quarter, reminders were constantly given to the Dolphins to adjust and do proper shooting once they have the opportunity to shoot a basket. Improve your communication and teamwork when playing, apply screens, and implement the strategies given to you. With their eagerness still, they have a lot of things to improve. Pero gaya nga ng sabi ko, this is not yet finished. Abangan natin kung ano pa ang gagawin ng Dolphins sa larong ito. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, LA and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Ayan na nga at titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong strategies, kung ano yung dapat nating abangan na teamwork na gagawin nila for the fourth and final quarter para naman mabawi yung kalamangan na gawa dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Now we'll see if ano pa yung mga ipapakita dito ng ating Mpcf Blue Dolphins as the Genesis Roaring Lions patuloy na pagpuntos. Now, jersey number 23 13 rather. A steal by Peña. Cosinero rather, now Dajero getting that 2 points. Libre, and that forces the MPCF Blue Dolphins to call a timeout. Once again, let's take a look at it. Dajero, libre. Grabe. And for the meantime, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo and Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated, Bucal Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Nandito rin ang Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, ACLC, Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga, University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Naga and Shaolin Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Unibersidad de Santa Isabel, Department of Agriculture, Bucal, and of course, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. And of course, Bucal Season 6 is powered by Converge FiberX, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Gravinus Communications Incorporated. Now back to the ball game. Jersey number 24, Beltran, nahihirapan dito. And Sambahon, the simple possession for the MPCF Blue Dolphins as they have 9 seconds remaining on their shot clock. Now, a foul committed by jersey number 14. The simple possession pa rin for the MPCF Blue Dolphins.
And Dave Dumalasa, there's a tap by Yucamco to intercept that pass, and here comes that layup by Yucamco, getting that one to go for the Roaring Lions. And the biggest margin right now for the Roaring Lions. And Punzalan looking to size things up, and there was a foul on Ivor Punzalan, as the number 13 of the Mariners Blue Dolphins will step on the free throw line for 2 free throws.
Syempre, we would like to commend our media partner. We have One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, headed by our station manager, Sir Jermin Jacob, our technical director, Engineer RJ Rebedorial, and of course, ang ating napakagandang production administrator, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok. And syempre, yung ating napakasisipag na cameraman, we have here Brian Tosok,
naman.
Sir James Gabarda, Sir Kim Monteroso. Ayan, maraming salamat po.
Parang may nakalimutan kayo, mamaya na natin nalalahanin. Si Niela, si Marniela, Ma'am Marniela Berido, and Janjan Basales. Parang nakalimutan mo eh.
Now, 5 minutes and 27 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter as jersey number 13 once again standing
Kaya na, natandaan ko
on
na.
the free throw line.
Okay na, Jasper. I think I remembered. It's Erica De Lima, former part of the technical team of Bucal. And he makes that shot by number 13, CJ Espejo of the Blue Dolphins. And there comes that long pass to Sain. And he almost making sure that it goes in, and it's almost a dunk for the Roaring Lions. And here comes Dumalasa.
Almost a follow-up shot by jersey number 13, pero as we can see,
I think there is a muscle cramp for number 13, CJ Espejo, as he goes down and he rolls almost 2 times before He's being assessed by the officials, and now he is holding on to his knee.
Ayan, our medical staff will having a check on jersey number 13 of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. And para naman patuloy pa rin ang ating aksyon, the Mpcf Blue Dolphins have to substitute jersey number 13.
And right now, it's the fourth quarter of action with 4 minutes and 56 seconds. It's 87-46. What will the Blue Dolphins have to answer back to the Genesis Roaring Lions scoring run? A double team there. And Dumalasa, that's his spot. But not. And there goes number 0. To make that shot, Joven Revilla. There goes that layup again by Yukamko.
Grabe, patuloy pa rin ang pagpuntos dito ng dalawang koponan na ito, lalong-lalo na patuloy ang momentum na ipinapakita dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions as we are about to approach the 4th minute mark of our ball game. Now Yukamko has it to Dahero, getting that 3 points, nothing but the net.
Really showing no mercy to their opponents right now.
Talaga, LA.
As they are looking to secure once again the top 2 seed for Bucal, and Yukamko using the glass to finish that play.
Grabe, nakikita na natin dito yung sinasabi nilang no mercy. Now, jersey number 19 of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins. Now to Beltran. Now good on that 3 points attempt by Beltran.
Almost a rebound there by
Sain getting that layup once again for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Once again, Sain.
Intercepted by Sain, and positions for a 3-pointer there is number 6. Guasay.
Grabe. No mercy na talaga yung ipinapakita dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. And as we can see dito sa...
I think it's the first time they'll be reaching a 100-point mark in their games, as when they entered their games. I think it was 7 in a line of 7, and also from the first game line of 9 for the when they faced the Daraga National High School in the first round. And I think the next game we'll be looking to seeing in action the Daraga National High School versus number 1 seed and the number 2 seed, the Genesis Roaring Lions, for the last week. For the last week of our elimination round. Last week of the second round of elimination, and we'll be looking to bracket up those teams who will be qualifying for the play-in tournament of Bucal.
Now, Mpcf Blue Dolphins on the run. Jersey number 0. No good pa rin sa kanilang gante dito. Now, Dahero nagmamadali. Has it to jersey number 13, Sain. But jersey number 14, Yukamko, is there to get that ball. Dahero once again, and that's good.
That's his spot. That's his shot. And right now, it's 101-50 in our scoreboard. And Christian Sain fouled number 1 of the Blue Dolphins. Christian Casaldon is right now on the free throw line for 2 free throws.
Grabe, 51 big points ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Napakagandang laban indeed ang ating nakita as we're about to approach the last 2 minutes of our 4th and final quarter.
Pero napakaganda pa din ng commentator natin. Shoutout na din kay Tin Reyes. Nakalimutan mo yata, Jasper, kanina si Tin. And I think what game will Tin be? Will be here. I think it's later games. So surprise surprise na lang sa ating mga viewers kung fourth game, it will be the STI and the USI Falcons.
Basta maririnig nyo na lang ang ating napagandang commentator later. Now Yukamko using his left hand to finish that 2 points layup. Grabe, once again Sain, pero sinabayan pa siya dito ng foul. Grabe. After that foul committed by Christian Casaldo on the side of the Mpcf Blue Dolphins, Sain.
And also coming soon will be the Bucal Season 6 Women's Basketball Tournament.
Ayan, abangan din natin yan for sure. Magandang action yan dito sa ating Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 6. Now Yukamko to jersey number 6 almost, pero out of bounds as the Genesis Roaring Lions will take the ball possession. Grabe, nakikita ko na kasi yung ating DNH's Defenders of Faith sa labas ng ating gymnasium. They are warming up, preparing for the next game against the Pasacab Academy White Tigers. Pero
the Hero still going hot in this fourth quarter of action, and here comes Adana using the glass to finish that play.
Grabe, patuloy ang pagpuntos dito ng ating Roaring Lions, and a traveling violation committed by Yukamko on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Syempre, traveling is more fun with Naga yon, Travel and Tours. Now Beltran nagmamadali. Lumilipad Beltran. Grabe, Dolphins had the Wings LA dito sa ating first game ngayong Sabado. Let's take a look at here. Jersey number 6. Well guarded by Adan. No good on that attempt. Pero another chance. De La Rama.
Well, not much of a need to score here for the Genesis Roaring Lions. And they forced that shot clock violation. And also they got their win here against the Mariners Blue Dolphins with 32 seconds left in our shot clock.
Grabe, 51 big points. Putol. Now the hero once again for the Roaring Lions.
Well, I think they have to dribble this out because they got their win against the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Grabe.
And our final score will be 106. Biggest margin.
Grabe, nakita mo doon, LA, the Hero and the Beltran is hugging each other for the last 14 seconds of our ball game, and that's the end of our ball game. Grabe, 49 big points ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Congratulations to our number 2 seed of the Division 2, and of course for the Mpcf Blue Dolphins for giving us a very good game. Ayan, at maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin ang best player of the game. Tutok lamang only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
The Genesis Roaring Lions has indeed roared their way up into their victory, closing the game with 106 points. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to highlight the best player of the game, brought to you by KD Sportswear Apparel, the best jersey maker in Naga City. Coming from the bench of Genesis Roaring Lions, jersey number 41, Ivor Punzalan with 16 points, 10 rebounds, 1 assist, and 2 steals. First of all po, congratulations for being named as the best player of the game. Now, how does it feel to be named as the best?
Maganda po, kasi first time ko po sumali dito. Karangalan po ito po sa akin.
Now, coming off this win, how do you plan to carry this momentum into your next game? Especially, yung next opponent nyo is the Daraga Defenders of Faith.
Lagi lang makinig kay coach. Yung pag magpa-practice, laging agahan at laging go hard. At yun lang.
Now, baka may gusto kang i-shout out sa mga supporters mo na nanonood sa ating live stream.
Unang-una po, ang shoutout ko po, si Lord muna po at yun ang pinaka-ano natin. At pangalawa po, si Boss Abit po, yung bossing po namin. Happy birthday po sa kanya, birthday niya po ngayon. At sa mga family ko po, si Mama, andyan po, always pong nanonood sa akin. Yung mga family ko, kaibigan ko po. Tapos yun lang po, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Tapos yung mga teammates ko po pala po, coaches. Yun po, thank you.
And there you have it, our best player of the game. Once again, this has been your courtside correspondent, Casey Antioquia. See you on our next game. Back to the panel.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than jersey number 41, Ivor Punzalan with 16 points, 10 rebounds, and 1 assist, and of course 2 steals. Atid sa atin yan ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey, and of course KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. And tutok lamang for our next game, it will be the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, and of course, the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers and the Juniors Division.
I think.
Kami pa rin ang inyong makakasama. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I thought I was having an ID picture as I was smiling and look at my face on the screen, and I am LA Lapid. Tutok lang dito sa maiit na aksyon dito sa Bucal Season 6. We're futurized and only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.